Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here for sale. This one is a 2000 9.9 Honda. This one is a long shaft. Came back compression 220 on one cylinder, 225 on the other. Lower unit pressure tested good. To come with the prop that is on it, new spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, new engine oil, and the fuel system has gone through. Go ahead and get this one fired up. It does have electric start. Give it a second here. Pumping good water. Go ahead and put it forward. Back to neutral, reverse, back to neutral, shut it off, fire back up. Shut it off. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.